that beat. And put on there.
Look at that
Put
thing. Got it in. What's up? Back with Gump Jeezy in here. Yeah, I'm out here finna get ready to get started on my truck. Finna get ready to take the hood off and take my engine out. I got my mechanic with me, Mike.
Here we go. There we go.
We finna
get started. He gonna do it himself. I'm just a narrator watching him, make sure he do it right.
He gonna get me right. He gonna get me right. He gonna get me right. So hey, y'all stay with me. I'm finna make something happen real big, real big. We going live all 2020, all 2020 going in. Got the hood off of it. We finna get to it. Now I got the radiator out, so we won't mess none of that up. Got the carburetor off. We almost there. We almost got it out. This just the beginning. And we're gonna get it out in a minute. Woo! Got me a little shorter, bro, but hey, it coming along real good, real fine. Got to get this engine out of here. Yeah, we got it all lifted up. We finna get ready to finish taking it out. We gotta lift it up and everything up high. We making great progress and a great time. Great timing and great progress. Yeah, we coming along real good. Real good. Yeah. Finally got the engine out. Jacking it up now. Gotta bring it on out. Woo! Been a good day. Look at that. Got it out. All we gotta do now is put the other one in. And then it's gonna be showtime. Got it out on the ground. Look at that view. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gonna get ready to put it back in there. Yeah. It's been a good day, great day, awesome day, whatever you want to call it. But tomorrow gonna be the final. Get ready. You gonna be ready. Yes. Yeah, back at it. Day 2 on the project. So we got it dropped in there and everything, but I don't think we missing nines to get it lined up. And then we're gonna put the valve covers and everything back on and put all the bolts and everything, and the fan, the radiator, and shit. We'll be ready to fire it up then after we get all that in there. So, woo, we finna get to it.
What you had on that white?
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Been a long day, been a long day.
He got a bunch of them out there. He said,
Got that thing
he
running.
said, Duma,
Look at it.
play even play. This 10-inch rally wheel.
That thing real
And
smooth.
I was like, what? He said, yeah. He's gonna trade me even for him.
Real
Oh,
smooth.
well, hell, I want that then.
That
He
thing
trade
running like
me.
a sewing machine.
Yeah. Like, I'm
You
gonna
don't even know
go.
it's on.
I'm
Look how
gonna
smooth
go
it
back
is.
with the, I'm
No
gonna go with
shake.
the DPS 10-inch like I had on the white and put on there.
Look at that thing.
Hang it up, took that
Got it
out.
in. We done did it. That thing bad. That thing smooth though. Oh, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. Been a long journey. But ooh, I'm back in business. I'm back in business. We did it. We did it. Had the sun go down. We got it done by sundown. Long day, long day. Over with. Goodbye. Yeah. So hey, that's the end. That's the end of this video. I done enjoyed doing this project. It was my first engine that I ever put in. So I'll appreciate it if y'all go like, subscribe to this video, comment, tell me what y'all think, or you know, if I needed more details or whatever. I really did a shorter video as I wanted to, because you know, I just really wanted to kind of, I don't know how to say it, but shit, damn, I really did the video as short as possible so that y'all won't get too bored out on it, or you know, I be doing too much, cause sometimes I tend to talk a little bit too much, you know what I'm saying? So hey, thank y'all for watching this video. I love y'all. Until next time, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna continue upload whatever great content that I come across, cause I ain't uploading nothing but great content all 2020.